Hey there, hope you're doing good. Quick little fix here for your vertical blinds. If you have small children like I do, they usually go ahead and think that these are nice gymnastic climbing ropes, and you end up with your vertical blinds looking like that. Now if you like the snaggletooth look, go ahead and keep that, but quick, easy way to fix that is so when they attempt to make it a climbing rope, this is usually what you end up with here. These are, kind of like a plastic material, and they end up tearing out that little tab up there. All right, so it's really easy to fix this. So all you're gonna need to fix this is a roll of Gorilla Tape or duct tape. It's helpful to have the matching color, get a little aesthetic going on there. So there's the white tape to match that. I just tear off a little section here. And then to fix this, all you need to do is get that crack. This one actually goes kind of deep, so we'll get that lined up. So pretty much just split the difference, so it's gonna fold over the top, so about half on the front, half on the back. Yep, so just push that down, nice and good. Fold it over the back, and then you can kind of pretty much see where that hole used to be there. So I just take my pocket knife and just basically just make just a small opening, so that way that hook's actually able to, on the door is actually able to, so that hook's able to bite in there and actually go back into that spot. Alrighty, and then you just line it up, insert it up. All right, and there you have it, problem fixed. Pretty quick, easy fix. Get your blinds up and running again. Nice thing is it's super cheap, super easy. So when the kids come running through again and tear them off again, you just grab a fresh piece of tape and stick it on there. Yeah, and you can do that quite a few times, so you should be set. All right, and there you have it, finished product. It only takes a couple minutes, and a little bit of duct tape or Gorilla Tape was what I was using. And then you can continue to keep fighting the battles and getting them back up. If this was helpful, give the video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.